GitHub is a web-based platform used primarily for version control and collaboration. It allows developers to host and manage code, track changes, and collaborate with others on software projects using Git. To get started, first create a repository. This is where your project files will be stored. Give your repository a name and optionally write a description explaining what the project is about. You can choose to make the repository public visible to everyone or private visible only to you or your team. You also have the option to add a README file, which serves as an introduction or documentation for your repository. After setting everything up, click on Create Repository. Once created, you can upload your files or code or push your code from a local machine using Git commands. When you click on the Code tab, you'll see a URL that you can use to clone the repository or share it with others. GitHub is a powerful tool for managing projects, contributing to open source, and working with teams efficiently.